Hola, soy la profesora Clark, and today we're going to talk about helpful terms that you can use in class that are in Spanish. At the top, you'll see that I have some columns, singular, plural, and meaning, and then it's repeated again, singular, plural, and meaning. These are things that I may say to you in class, and so in an effort to help you understand what these might mean, I've given you an explanation. So really quickly, I might say to you, abre, cierra, mira, escucha, escribe, lee, saca, repite, siéntate, levántate, pregunta or pregúntale, contesta, contéstale, di or dile, ven, ve, cállate, trabaja, párate. I may not say cállate because I do want everyone to speak, so I may not say cállate, so I may not be saying that a whole lot. However, I will be saying pasa, espera, pon, dame, tráeme, practica, estudia, aprende, escoge, prepara, describe, empieza, pronuncia, habla, haz, borra, continúa, and enseña. I think I've repeated párate again. However, at the bottom here is where you might want to make a note. And these are questions that you can ask me in an effort to maintain speaking Spanish in class. So if you are concerned or have a question, you can say, ¿Cómo se dice? And I will try my best to answer you back in Spanish or act out something so that you can understand, or say it slowly with good pronunciation so you can repeat after me. You can also say, ¿Cómo se escribe? If you are going to demonstrate gratitude, you can say gracias. Some of you may be saying this more often than not, no entiendo. So you might want to make a note of that one. Puedo tomar agua? You actually don't have to ask me if you need to get a drink of water, but if you desire to use Spanish, you may use it. If you need for me to speak louder, which usually never happens, you can say más alto. I don't really like using no sé because when there's a will, there's a way, but you can say no sé. Also, you can use the word ¿qué significa?, the question ¿qué significa?, and in this case, you can actually use English. I will allow you to use English. ¿Qué significa? For example, if you want to say ¿qué significa book in español?, I can say libro. Also, there's por favor, de nada. Again, you don't have to ask me to use the restroom, but if you want to use Spanish, you can do that. Puedo ir al servicio. Más despacio, and I do tend to get excited and speak quickly, so please let me know. And if I'm too loud, which is most likely the case, you can say más bajo. So feel free to print out this page. Keep in mind some of these commands that I may be using with you, and feel free to use any of these questions below to help get through class. And I encourage everyone to use Spanish every day. So thank you, and hasta pronto.